So often we never show you the end result of what we've been doing, and in fact there's the snowdrops and they've all come up. Yeah, remember we planted them in fives and groups, and in fact if we come over to this section here, you can see more clearly that there's several bulbs. In each clump, little clump, you can see. The establishment, it does take time, and I think we've got to be patient when you plant snowdrops, because they've got to seed and expand. Okay, so we're putting them in every year. We'll put in maybe 500 bulbs in an area, and okay, squirrels are going to eat some will fail, some will live. I have tried planting in the green, and they always say that is better, but quite honestly there's not much in it. I have done both, and honestly there's not a lot in it to choose from. So they're coming up. These are coming up. Let's just walk across here and we can see those coming up. They are, and they look nice, and if we can get them to expand, that'll look even better. So they are snowdrops. They're starting to establish themselves, and that's what we want. I suppose we better show you some of the daffs that are coming up as well, because we've been planting those as well. So if I walk across here, you can see there's the daffodils that we've been planting this year. Oh, there's a few rogue ones got in there. There's a few miniatures just over, where are we? Miniature ones got in there, but which we didn't plant here generally. These will be a mixture of narcissi and daffodil, coming right round this area of woodland. A bit woody here, you can see, and yeah, that's going to be a lovely show. And I'll be showing you those as they come up. That's what we do. We plant and we'll show you our results here on World Radio Gardening. Keep an eye out for what we're up to, and don't forget that you can also ask us questions here. All you got to do is mail it to post@worldradiogardening.com, and I will answer your gardening questions.